Okay, so here we are in Port St. Lucie. I'm headed east on Walton Road, which brings us down to the Intercoastal Indian River, and then of course across the bridge to the ocean. So here we are about a day before the Hurricane Dorian is supposed to really be offshore of Port St. Lucie. We've already experienced some rain bands, a couple of gusts, and I was working at my desk, and I heard the gusts going, swishing around out there, and strong rain. So I decided, okay, it's time. It's gonna be the last time I'm gonna get out. So it was time that I got my camera, got my GoPro, and took this ride that I've been wanting to take. But I think this will be the last time I come down here before this is all over. So it's kind of gray out right now. We did experience some rain bands. It lasted for about 10 minutes. That was about 20 minutes ago. So yeah, we're going to start experiencing the rain, the bands around the hurricane. I've been doing this. My first hurricane was Hurricane Andrew, 1992. I was new in Florida. I was living in Miami, and that was my first experience. And since then, I've lived in Broward, Palm Beach, and now St. Lucie County. I've seen quite a few hurricanes. 15 years ago, June 2004, I moved into my house in Port St. Lucie. And September 2004, we got hit with Hurricane Gene and Francis, which both landed in Port St. Lucie. And a year later, I had quite a bit of damage with Hurricane Wilma. I can't remember all the hurricanes. 2 years ago, we were slammed with Irma. I had quite a bit of damage. We always get through it. What was interesting, Hurricane Andrew, I didn't know what to expect. It was my first time. I actually slept through it. I woke up the next morning and it looked like a scene out of a World War II movie. I'll never forget that. I had my camera and I had this great photo album of the damage of Hurricane Andrew. It was devastating. But I took a lot of pictures. I'll never forget this. I was on the turnpike down by Homestead, and I brought this great picture. The turnpike was kind of on a hill, and there was a house below. The house had 3 walls left. They had spray painted their State Farm policy number on the side of the house. It had a big American flag. It was a huge American flag flying over the house, and I thought it was a great picture. I stopped on the turnpike, took the picture. What was interesting about that picture was 6 months after we started to rebuild and everything, Time magazine came out with an issue talking about Hurricane Andrew, and on the front cover, believe it or not, was my picture. It wasn't my picture, it was the same picture. The guy who took the picture for the cover of Time magazine stood in the same spot I took my picture at. Since I moved around a few times. I've did have lunch with the National Guard. It was quite a scene, quite a scene. Houses were demolished. You had to be careful what neighborhood you drove in. There was just one time I drove into a neighborhood and they had this big sign up that said, someone painted it on a big piece of plywood. As you drove in, it said, looters will be shot. And sure enough, there were guys hanging out on the corner carrying their rifles and shotguns. And I drove in, I looked at them, they looked at me. I gave them away, but I turned around and left. That was a no-brainer. Yeah, hurricanes are, I've been through quite a few. So here we are, I'm on my way over to the beach, and I'm driving down Indian River Drive. To the right, left of me, is the intercoastal. And I'm seeing the winds are starting to pick up a little bit. The water is very high tide. I mean, I'm almost at water level from driving. This area, this road that I drove in during Irma, the road collapsed into the water. I just remembered that, so I'm not going to stick around here too long. Water is practically coming. Now you can't see it because I have the GoPro attached to my car, pointing straight out the windshield. So I'm not gonna mess with it now as I'm driving. So we're not gonna see the intercoastal. But it's pretty high. What I can do, so I'll turn down this road and I'll make a U-turn and drive my car and point it right up at the intercoastal. So you can all see what I'm talking about. The water's pretty high. From this view, you're not going to be able to see it as I'm turning around. Let's see, I'll pull up as far as I can before I have to make the right. And let's see how it looks. See the water. Yeah, it's pretty high. It's almost level with the road. That's pretty interesting. You can see the wind, palm trees right in front of me. Okay, so I'm back on Indian River Drive. I don't know for sure. About a mile away is the bridge over to the beach. And that's the bridge I'm heading for. Hopefully we'll get a good view of the ocean when we get there. It's only a couple miles away. So, yeah, it's pretty gray. It's getting windy. We're still about 18 to 24 hours away. I think. Let's see. They're expecting 7 p.m. to. Yeah, we're 24 hours or more before this hurricane is like right off the coast of Portugal, Lucie. And I'm already seeing down palm tree leaves, because I think that Okay. So I'm in a little roundabout, and we gotta stop and talk to the police. We ask them, how do I get across? And they say, you're not coming. Remember in Irma they closed off all the causeways too. I had an appointment after the hurricane I couldn't get across. So that might be the case now. So I missed out on the beach. I did want to see what over at the beach. I mean, I could take a chance and go all the way up to Fort Pierce, but that's 20 miles away where I'm at. Maybe 10 miles. Yeah, about 15, 20 miles away. I'm not going to do that. So I'm just going to go to a roundabout. I should wave to the cop. Okay, the guy in front of me has to talk to the cop. Sounds like he's saying I live over there. Oh, this guy's getting out. What's going on here? Mandatory evacuation, so there's no going over that freaking bridge. Okay, someone's coming off the bridge and coming towards us. Oh, he's letting him go. Probably lives there, gave him his ID. Okay, yeah, I'm not even gonna say anything. I'll just wave to the cop. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna head back then. Okay. Alright, so the restaurant is emptying out right now. This guy with binoculars. Yeah, the water's getting choppy. Definitely. It's almost at freaking ground level. So that's not good. Okay, so we're gonna head back. And then it is getting windier in the last 10 minutes. There's some wind picked up. Alright, so okay, we're heading back. I'm gonna see if I can get maybe adjust this GoPro so we can get that water. My goodness. Wish I freaking ground level. Road level. Holding the GoPro. I'm like driving right next to the water. That dock is underwater. Almost underwater. Just hold this for a while. See the water is almost at the road level. Got it down arms already. And yeah, look at these docks. Yeah. I mean, this thing hasn't even come yet. Look at that right there. Alright, so, yeah, the water level is high. It's high. This is just the intercoastal. Alright. Let's see. Yeah, look at that. See that dock? Usually, we're talking usually about at least 20 feet to go down. You gotta climb down there. So, yeah, the water's seeping up all the way up here. I'm starting to see the water on this road. Okay, now the sun's trying to peek through. Some better views. Water.